From the iron heat of the blazing forge to the quiet hum of the screen, from the dusty depths of the canyon gorge to the fields of gold and green, the world is waking in the early light. Built by the callus and the bone, for every beam that reaches height, a seed of labor has been sown. It's more than a shift, it's more than a wage, it's the story of us on every page. A legacy carved in sweat and time, the rhythm of the climb. Oh, rise for the hands that build the world. Let the banners of May be wide unfurled. Ache for work and ache for sleep and ache for the souls we get to keep. In every tongue, in every land, we walk together hand in hand, honoring the sweat, the breath, the flame, in solidarity's holy name. Solidarity's holy name. They stood their ground in the days of old, when the hours were long and dark. They traded silence for hearts of gold, and struck a timeless spark, for the right to rest, for the right to dream, for a life beyond the gears. They wove the fabric, stitch and seam, through 100 bitter years. It is the teacher's word, the doctor's care, the driver's road, the builder's prayer, the silent strength of the stay-at-home, the artisan under the vault. Oh, don't work is small, no task is slight, when we stand together for the right. Oh, rise for the hands that build the world. Let the banners of May be wide unfurled. Ache for work and ache for sleep and ache for the souls we get to keep. In every tongue, in every land, we walk together hand in hand, honoring the sweat, the breath, the flame, in solidarity's holy name. Solidarity's holy name. The sun is high on the 1st of May, the spirit of work leads on the way, hand in hand, work and rest, the world is blessed.